Part of it is really deciding that you really need to innovate, that you're going to have a decision that the company, organization needs to make a change, and then deciding what that unit of innovation is. So what I talk about is that really true breakthrough ideas don't come out of large organizations and with top-down structures. If you look at how IBM created their PC or how Apple went and created the iTunes division, it really was literally breaking a small group out of the larger organization and empowering it with a bold vision that says, go and reinvent this business, this industry. A lot of times the makeup of that team is very diverse. It's non-traditional because traditional people bring the same way of doing it that they've always done. If you really want to do something different, you need to bring new thoughts, new people, new players, people who are outside of the norm. The expert is the person who's going to tell you exactly how it can't be done, not the person with a crazy idea that is going to come in and say, why can't we do it this way? So I charge organizations with small teams that tend to be younger, because if you look at where real innovation, unconstrained thinking comes from, it's a young team, either at least young of mind, if not young of physical age. Very diverse background, and isolated from the whole, such that the main organization is not constantly prodding them to get back to the way it used to be, where they're not embarrassed to try something that everybody else can consider crazy. Because the fact of the matter is, it's the crazy idea that will be the breakthrough, and people need to be confident in their nonsensical concepts. Part of inspiration is what's in your heart and in your mind. What did you want to do when you were a kid? What was exciting to you? What is the ideal world? I mean, not the world that everybody tells you it can't be, and the lawyers tell you no, or the CEO tells you no, or your board it doesn't matter. The fact of the matter is, it's no because they know no better. The world can be anything we make it to be. So what is your ideal state of existence? What do you want your company or your product or your life to be like? Have the absolute clarity of that passion.